saved it! High five, we did it! Come on, Omar, let's play! They are big, I am small. Don't worry, we can do it together. How old are you, Omar?
I am 6 years old.
And you, Lina?
I am 6 years old.
Are you young?
Yes, I am young.
Yes, I am young too. Do you like your age?
Yes, I like it.
Yes, I am happy. Catch this, Lina. I got it! Let's play together. Over here, come on. Great kick, Omar. I caught it, Lina. Let's play again. Thank you for watching. Watch our previous lessons and subscribe for more. How old are you?